guys, happy Tuesday. Andito tayo ngayon sa Eastwood City here in Quezon City, Bagong Bayan, Quezon City. Yan. Lakad-lakad tayo papasok, so we'll just have to jeep. Pasok dito sa ayan. So this is Eastwood. That's Eastwood City, and the first building here is the MDC 100. Ayan. MDC 100. And that building. Ayan, Eastwood City. So this is Citibank. Citibank building. Okay, straight ahead. Let's walk. Lawson. Lakad-lakad lang tayo. May pupuntahan tayo. Syempre hindi nawawala ang Starbucks. Kahit saan may Starbucks. All over the place. Gawa na siya. Dati hindi pa gawa itong building na to. Bago lang to. Itong dalawang building na yan. It's newly built. At anong meron dyan? Nothing. So that's Pelina Corporate Plaza. Pelina. So straight ahead lang tayo. Siyempre may 7-Eleven. There you go. Video Bank. The famous IBM Plaza. Under renovation. So, saan ang entrance niya? Maybe sa likod. Oh, this way. May entrance pala tayo. Okay. Malapit na tayo sa Eastwood Mall. So, pag ganun pa yung Eastwood, papasok pa doon, malawak pa doon. Pasok lang kayo dyan. Normal mall lang siya. Up to 3rd floor. Yan, Cyber Mall. Cyber Fashion Mall. So, banda doon, marami pa. NTT Data there. May McDonald there sa kanto. Yan, so may McDonald dyan. Ayan, that's McDonald. And then sa taas, ang NTT Data. Yan, that's NTT Data, one of the either then. Masyadong malawak pa dyan sa looban. Nandiyan din ang Eastwood Mall. And this one is Eastwood Cyber Fashion Mall. Yan, So we're here again in Eastwood City in Quezon City. Straight ahead lang tayo. So dire-diretso lang. Oh, may Repertory Philippines na doon. So ayun, may Wendy's. Maganda pag may bike ka, oh. Free parking ng bike. Free ba yung parking dito ng bike, kuya? Libre lang ang parking?
Okay.
Basta may dala ka lang padlock, no?
Oo, padlock.
Okay. Sige. Ayun. So, libre yung parking. Dala lang kayo ng bike nyo and padlock. At nandito na tayo sa Calle Industria. Going right is Calle Industria. And then Eastwood, Legrand, and then City Walk dito. Yan ang favorite ko dito sa Eastwood. One of my favorite, Wendy's. Nakakamiss na si Wendy's. Sana magka-Wendy's na sa Taytay Rizal. Layo kasi sa Kaintapa, dadayuhin pa yung Wendy's. At saka masyado na nagtaas yung salad nila. From 50 pesos dati, naging 70. Ngayon, 79 na. 79 pesos for just a plate of macaroni salad. And this is a paint shop. If you wanna learn how to paint, ayan. Paint studio siya. Katabi siya ni coffee shop. Boss Coffee. Yan. So that's Eastwood Farm 3 Avenue corner E-Commerce Road. Yan. Ayun si Wendy's. At doon papuntang City Walk. Papuntang City Walk doon. Ayun naman si Repertory Philippines. Ayan. Repertory Philippines. Tapos andyan na Eastwood Cinemas. Ayan, Eastwood Cinemas. Tapos Repertory Philippines. And that's it. Dito papuntang, may tricycle dito, shortcut papuntang ng Pasig, Rosario. Yung building na to, this building is Global One. So yan, this building. Yan. Name is Global One. Global One. Yan, that's Global One. Meron bang Global 2? Maybe that one. Hindi, iba na yan. Some residential condo. So, that's Global One. And then City Walk. Mega World Cinemas. Yan, so that's Mega World Cinemas. Repertory Philippines. Ayan. Mega World Cinemas. Katabi ng food court. And then yan. Diretso mo yan, City Walk. And then Wendy's again. At ayan. Sarap magkape. Si Boss Coffee. Dito na tayo. Bye guys. Nice tour for today. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Bye.